Turn it up here, that'll make a lot of noise. I know, I'm just saying. Like I know, it's loud over here. That's how I'm turning it.
Oh, from the chat stuff?
Nah, just because I can do it so I can record and portrait at the same time.
And pick which one first, so how you want to post it.
No.
With branches. There's a lot of words. No, I do grabber. I just straight backward. I do a stripping backward of my peppers.
Yo, Galen.
But she want to eat me starter. Then she have the nerve say, "Why come check me back?" She crack. Anytime me tell a girl say back. Skirt, blouse, shoes, rap, clap. So me have a girl that TikTok. Grandma come in and come catch me she shot. She can't believe her heart and pick me that. Hey, better than that. So the girl hear me on the radio, see me on the telly. Ring off me celly. One bag of girl want come rub down me belly. Anthony, Kelly, Susie, Shelly. Hear me on the radio, see me on the telly. Ring off me celly. Yes, rich girl want come rub down me belly. Anthony, Kelly, Susie, Shelly.
Them shoulda know say where we me come from. Shoulda know say me grow up at Islington. Them shoulda know say me red. Them shoulda know say where we me come from. Shoulda know say me grow up at Islington. Shoulda know say Capleton bun. The same thing I apply for the. Them shoulda know I said where we me come from. Them shoulda know say that next door to Portland. Them shoulda know say Capleton bun. And me run out them confusion. People them a ball say them want more profit. The corruption and the slackness and the profit come to stop it them a ball say them want more profit. Disillusion and confusion and the profit come to burn it them a ball say them want more profit yo. And none of them can stop it. Me go trod London. When the people see me, them a push up them hand. Hear the whole of them say, see the fireman. Fire have to use and burn out confusion. Burn disillusion and burn temptation. Make them know the fire is to the purification. Yo, people them a ball. Say them want more profit. The corruption and the slackness and the profit come to stop it them a ball. Say them want more profit. Disillusion and confusion. The profit come to
I don't know what he does to make you cry, but I'll be there to make you smile. I don't have a fancy car to get to you. I walk 1,000 miles.
So now we sound Dr. Sour. Give us a check right there.
Yo, check.
Bandit.
Fucking Sister Town caught me. He caught me. That's the fucking movie theater. Yo, I'm talking about. I tried F movies. I tried like Crunchyroll, all that.
I'm gonna find one to send it to you, because I know it's there somewhere. Yeah, I went to the movies to see that shit.
I ain't been to. I'm paranoid movie theaters.
So you caught up with the coloring games then? What? You JJK, you caught up with the coloring games, everything?
I haven't seen a lot. There's 2 episodes.
Okay, you an OG.
The one. Go
You know what I'm saying? You've been watching anime for a long time. I would say animation, storyline, whole thing. Season 3 of JJK.
Color Game is fire. They're
Probably
killing it, yo.
one of
It is top 10. It is top. I'll definitely give it top 10. I'll give it top 5 right now, honestly, yo.
The last episode.
Season 2 of Solo
right?
Leveling was top 5 for me. It's top 10. Season 2 of Solo Leveling is great. Season 2 is the one that did it though.
The first one, I was like, I don't know what the hype is.
I saw the hype. I saw the hype of the first one, but the season 2 just topped it. It was actually packed.
Ant-Man did it for me. That Ant dude.
But I will say though,
Bad man no watch y'all, we no watch smoke mist, we no lap on our chat y'all. From y'all feeling we a think about for catch y'all. Name Joe Brian, always a snatch y'all. Man no pretend that we no have to get no y'all. And that natural, no we no toss y'all. Keep it a real bad man, only walk y'all. Enough y'all a freak and we love for dog y'all. Touch y'all leg on no we not go stop y'all. Yeah, oh man we enjoy.
kill it. But a girl that looks around her, that kill it. Watch a girl around there, so me that kill it. A natural thing, baby, me tell you this. One girl, not me, nah. Zaka ziggy zaza. One girl, girl in a banger. Dark start back again. I go. Well, one post a kill cocky and me know say that a true. Me and me woman and me yard, but enough girl me screw. All them and them in the dance say pum you never screw. And up in the air and make me hear no say. Booga man and them crew. Man a wicked man a play number 2. Walk your girl hard, she go end up with blue. Then them a go find us some over Bellevue. In it on the rhythm, no wicked point of view. Girl them in a me ear, I want to cause a curfew. Every one of them want give me play interview. Walk on Maria and a crew, but one girl, not me, nah. Dance a measure and the pattern. Many. Here, girl, we got now. My time artist. Alright, cool. Yeah, give me argument. They should know. Me got to all road boy, right on your gun. And me know no guy can't touch your rectum. Yeah, all road boy, right on your gun. Chichi man a follow my feet get fire. Romeo must die. Him and the boy Julio, them a guy. Molest the little youth and I say a lie. Living up like some big dirty fly. Big dirty. Push the grass, yeah. The way that girl look good, me shout out. But I wear the grass, yeah. I could not see alone that me shout. Bunga push the grass, yeah. And we not drive round the back road. But I wear the grass, yeah. The girl in the gas are a man of the round. If a girl done an arm, man a run you down and you want that. Take that. She a own up the man and the man a own her and him want you. Take that. If a girl done an arm, man a run you down and you want that. Take that. She a own up the man and the man no want her and him want you. See then now it gets sticky on some girl where you catch a people yard it get hard. What a rain like now. It doesn't now. See then now it gets sticky on some girl where you catch a people yard it get hard. What a rain like bill they a juice she a hustle and a shuffle cap it draw. Yard and for the man them where you hype up in a clothes when them borrow from them friend it get hard. But from them know you stand firm and all you have and when you earn you control.
Some boy you talk so like a them one get the power when from them a devour. Eat the girl like them a flower. Sex the girl them by the hour. Make them ball for y'all them adapt. Cool make me line up me girl them get them together. Oh some boy you diss me when me talk. Me not go rhyme. I told me job me just a sign. I made the girl them want to wine because the DJ now we wine because them can't come touch me style because the DJ now go talk like no Calvin Klein. But them a try to diss me when them know we find no gear because we run all the year. The girl them play up in the year. The girl them treat you with care because the clothes are way we wear because them know say wicked man a Rasta man we not go fear but. How's the world gone, man?
Somebody tell me now.
How's the world gone, man?
Go up to president.
How's the world gone, man?
Somebody tell me now.
How's the world gone? Is the world gone? How's the world gone, man?
Please tell me now.
Invincible?
I like Invincible. I like Invincible. I've been
Did y'all see the last
Yeah,
episode?
yeah. Where Zaz show back up.
I don't have Amazon Prime. I gotta still watch this.
You see the last episode?
I can't get the same.
What is that show back at the end?
People,
My dad.
He was pulling out his
Yep.
gut.
we back here again with another episode of Vybes Friday. This your boy Gyalis Jay.
Dr. Sour.
And
I will for piece of junk phone this.
anyway, everybody introduce yourself, please and thank you.
You know what I'm saying? Everybody himself, people, yo, chat me there, you know. Big up on yourself, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. My practice, you don't know what
Watch him with the mic in and blood clot mouth. Like the mic can't pick him up already. Anyway, next.
Yo, chat.
Don't read, don't turkey neck on thing. Turkey neck in spring.
Right now, my data. So I go on Friday.
I feel like I'm
on the
no,
show.
I feel like I'm no longer a special guest. I'm a guest.
This nigga here.
Why you
Yo.
over there, this mother people
Yo,
still use
Terry
Snapchat.
Smith. Yo, I'm gonna get my whole government out. Don't matter. #pro. Y'all can find me on TikTok. #pro.com. Find me on the Snap too. IG, Facebook, Marcus
What's going on,
Goldberg.
people? It's your boy DJ Ritter from Live.
That's for you, Mark.
I
Other
want to
than
say
that,
a big
Let's get it
thank you
on.
to everybody
Yeah.
who just finished listening to this
Some
mix.
people
He
normally,
said that's for you, Mark.
normally it's a routine to bring him on
And
and
subscribe to the channel,
coming into
like and share to at least
Yeah, I
one
just
friend.
turned it off.
And don't forget,
That's really good.
really,
That was
I
really
can't
good.
believe
Turn
it.
the volume off.
I can't see.
I love how they present.
So like I said, people,
Black
The
people
music
in it.
from over there.
Normally,
From over your side.
Terry here, like around January, around tax time and all of that, because you know, he in the car business.
It's still tax season.
Cars and homes, yo.
Yeah,
Cars and
real,
homes.
real estate. So,
Damn.
I
again,
pay my taxes.
so the people know how they can reach you again if you're still in the business and you're still working.
Yeah, still in the business. Been in the game, car business for like last 17 years as far as houses goes, last 5 years. When it comes to it, my ratings on Google do the speaking for me. So look up
Saw
#pro
that.
Rochester.
Check my
On
ratings.
Google, 5-star ratings. You see what they saying about me. Reach out to me if you want someone to keep it real with you. Cars and homes, I'm the one-stop shop, man.
Cars and
Make sure
homes.
them ratings ain't no bots. I don't think it's bots though, but yeah.
Nigga
Shout out to my boy. Nah, there's a lot of bots going around
This
now,
nigga.
man. You know
Nah,
what I mean?
that's a fact. That's a
All
fact.
right,
Yeah, the
and
word
the-
speak for itself though.
And
Cars
definitely,
don't break down. That's all I gotta say.
yeah, give a quick shout out to all our sponsors. One Love Window Cleaning,
D&K Catering.
and definitely Caribbean Spices in the building.
Yes,
All
sir.
in.
Yo, man, my piece of blood,
Podcast
blood,
Network.
blood, 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 no, so I can zoom it. You know that.
Fuck you too.
Yeah, man. There's a blood, blood,
Yo, I definitely shout out. Who I forget? I forget one more sponsor.
You did.
We forgot, man.
Livevybz team himself, you know, big up production.
Yeah,
Caribbean
yeah,
Spice.
definitely. All right, shout out to
Yo,
production.
you know what I mean? Chat, yo, we have a whole heap in store for yourself. You know what I mean? A whole heap of new thing I found too, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
So,
so
yourself. So new, remember, you know what I mean? Look on the title, it's a new year, so a whole heap of new thing I
Yeah.
found too.
so
Have a year,
as
man.
as Bucky talk about New Year, everybody in the chat cups up. We at that part right now.
Cups up.
Before we get
Just
into it.
a beer,
Whatever you drinking. So like we always say, we was here last week, and we're here again this week. For that, we thank God. And then we taking another shot. Now we are celebrating our Earth Strong in our place tonight. And a couple others that passed in the month, but before for tonight, everybody will take a toast for Tall Man in the building.
Tall man.
That's why I'm just like a Spice Girl.
Yo, a Spice Girl crazy.
Happy Earth Strong, me out, I'm more like my nephew. Blue Ranger, go!
What's
I just was watching. I was asking.
my nigga said Carolina Blue Kicks.
100%.
Well,
Thank you.
well, let's check in though. How's everybody weekend? Let's start from the right side over there.
My week was good, man. I took a break last week because we had game night, man. I had to eat 2 Popeyes biscuits with in 2 minutes. That shit was crazy.
Yeah, no,
2
it
minutes is
wasn't.
like it.
Son, 2 room temperature Popeyes biscuits, yo.
Nothing to drink.
So, nah, I had better. Let me get a bag. Bro, I would have died. I'd have died. Nah, they wasn't going to do that to me. I'd have died. But, nah, I mean, game night was fun last time. What was it? Like 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago. Yeah, that shit was straight, man. We had a good time, man.
I don't even remember it.
But, yeah, had me taking shots of Ray. It was a lot going on, man.
The whipped cream and the flour was it for me.
Yeah, the whipped cream and the flour. Yo, yeah, I definitely got hit in the face with some flour. That was some shit, too. But, but,
It was like one of them old kung fu fox there with the white hair, white dreads. But yeah.
but other than that, man, my week was good, man. It was pretty good, man. Today was a beautiful day outside. I hope y'all got to enjoy because I was at work all day, but
Hell yeah, we got
You like you the only one employed, motherfucker.
I said,
Was that work too?
I ain't saying that's a guilty conscience.
At work. I
That's
don't
a
know when
hard
y'all was
R.
at work.
That was it.
Hard R.
Yo, that was a guilty conscience right there, man.
I'm just saying.
I ain't say nothing about nobody being unemployed.
Alright,
Saying.
yo, let's check in with our guests. How was your week, bro?
Shit, it was another day, man. Today was beautiful, like you said. I mean, it's another day, another dollar. You know, shout out to those who woke up. Hopefully those who didn't, we'll see you in paradise.
Yo.
That was
Yo,
real.
why everybody saying shit crazy? Like, you know what he just said? Shout out to everybody that woke up. He just sound like he just spun a block. I'm just saying. But anyways, you know what I mean? Big up for themselves. I just tried to say I knew you, you know. What?
We not to you yet, bro. We're not to you yet,
Yeah,
bro.
me.
That's another 20 minutes.
Man, I know. It's an hour, bro. It's an hour. My week was great. Hold on. Bucky, it ain't your turn. My week was great, you guys. I've been helping spring clean people's houses. They've been paying me. So my week was great.
Hell yeah.
My week was great.
Your teeth done?
You see the 14-inch bus now.
Your teeth,
You see it, right?
You probably stole that.
It was free. My sister gave it to me. She didn't want it, so I put it on my head.
I hear
She
that.
said she never wore it.
So what's your name tonight?
Patricia.
Okay,
It's not me,
Patricia.
it's Patricia.
Patricia in the fucking building.
You ever seen Split?
Oh,
yo.
That's who I am right now.
The birthday youth.
Nah, the funniest shit I heard. Yes, sister. Hold on. First off, don't skip over yourself. But before we do that, yo, the funniest thing your sister said was that this nigga looked like Mr. Glass from Unbreakable, son.
With his hair out when you took your braids out.
Not Mr. Glass. He's talking about Samuel L.
Oh, that shit had me crying. Mr. Glass, son. Did you see the picture of him?
No, we're good.
I got you. Don't worry about it. I got you. I'm pulling it up. Don't worry about it, yo. Nah, how was your week, man?
You don't want to see that picture.
My week was smooth. How was yours?
That was it?
You don't want to see the picture.
My week was good, you know.
It looked like it.
Make money as usual. Yeah, we're just glad everybody there.
All right. Every blood class week.
Happy nice, man.
Every week you come with
nice when me talk, man.
You got a job?
Bro, like talking shit, bro, like, making money.
Yeah,
Some interesting that will happen at work or some shit.
Yo, let me tell you that.
What the fuck?
I would hear me see a girl walk faster.
Yeah.
But that's not. Yo, anybody in a Livevybz know me, they know say, yo, me a boy, me gotta work to look, girl.
Hey, yo, Tom, man.
A joke. No, that's a joke. That's a joke. No, listen. No, that's a joke.
Yo, he took the shades off. He took the shades off for it.
You went too far.
Hey, yo, Tom, man. No, answer this question, though, yo. Tell me this. Hey, yo, did you do anything special for your birthday, man? You do anything you ain't... I might take you out to eat or nothing, man?
I was on the motorcycles.
Oh, y'all was out on the bikes and everything earlier?
I had a derby around the block.
Oh, you had a block derby? Okay.
Yeah, by himself.
Alright, shit, fuck it.
Yeah.
That was a good day for you.
Oh my God, it's Bucky turn, y'all. Wait.
Yeah, the best thing I was with my uncle, with my father, my uncle.
Yeah,
I was with my brother.
Father
I was.
and your uncle.
Yeah, the uncle.
Family time.
Yeah, family time, basically. Yeah.
Last minute, remember me a deadbeat, you know, so
Yo, people on the line. People on the line, remember ask me, I'm looking out the eye. As a father, right? You can't have a picnic, right? And the father don't know that the picnic birthday till 4 o'clock in the evening.
That's crazy.
You're lucky you get blood clot.
Trust.
Eh? You're a big blood clot, man. For you live out of my blood clot house, if you're lucky you get called.
That's not true.
You know what I mean?
Got
So,
the
you
nerve
know
to
what I'm
talk.
saying? I think wait till 9 o'clock.
So,
shout out to the, you know what I mean?
Bandit,
Me?
how much stuff you thief since week?
Yo, you know, somebody give me teeth no more this week. Yo, the people them strapped down the most, bro. About one
Spring
time,
cleaning.
yeah,
Somebody been spring cleaning their house and been locking it down.
Yeah, they been strapping that shit. But it got hot today, so I know next week, yeah, I'm about to at least, I'm definitely breaking in 3 houses. So next week gonna be active.
Everything is props. Everything that he says does not pertain to anybody else in here. I want you guys to understand that what he is saying has nothing to do with us. Him breaking into anywhere has nothing to do with us at all.
No.
Thank you.
Chat know me.
No, hold on. Talk
me.
about the GTA.
I play
Talk about
simulator
that.
games a lot.
So,
It's video games you're
Hold
talking
on.
about.
Fuck that shit. You know how we helped G move last week?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so we in New York City, right? Did the move. and we there chilling. Out of nowhere, here go this nigga. Yo, I miss my farm.
What?
Wait,
That makes sense.
G don't know what the fuck he talking about.
He talking about on GTA, the drug farm?
Whatever, basically.
No,
It's a Farmville game, but it's real life shit.
Oh,
No,
farm?
no,
You
no,
playing
no.
Farmville?
No. Nah, Farmville is
Bucky, you
I used to
about-
play Farmville. Facebook.
Yeah.
Farmville
No,
is
wait,
You about to piss me off. Finish the story.
No,
Finish the
so
story.
here go
Let
me.
him finish the story.
So you correct him. He gets it.
So
You
here
still
go
playing
me.
it?
Farmer Simulator.
Nah, I ain't played in a while, but it used to be cool.
No, so here go me. I know what he talking about because this nigga take that shit serious. So I'm losing it like I know this nigga don't miss a day from his farm, so I know he really feeling it. Here go G. What the fuck I thought he did construction.
Hey, yo, shouts out to my homie G, yo.
Yeah, so
Yo, G in the city getting right, but yo,
yeah, so here I'm like, nah, that he
not at all. I'm nothing to do with that. I'm got nothing to do with that.
So here go me. It's a video.
You don't
it's a
gotta
video
drink
game
it.
that he played.
Now I'm wondering, like, what the hell does it mean?
Well, nothing to do with that at all. That y'all can keep.
Tap it and
So
get
basically, I play Farming Simulator. It's just like GTA.
Oh my God. Hey yo, so hold on, time out. I got a
No,
question.
no, not gonna lie.
Finish what you say. Finish what you
No,
say. Go
not
ahead.
gonna lie. When I actually watched him play, that shit was hella interesting because it's
Thank you.
you don't miss a
I
it's
ain't-
like actual
No,
farming, like
Yeah.
to the
Yeah.
T.
You out here milking cows, chucking
But he's
wheat,
not
all
doing
types of
that.
shit.
So that means you don't want to go on a tangent. But real
All right,
quick.
no. You're gonna go off on a tangent. So let me ask you this question
I'm
first.
not. I promise you.
Can I ask a question though?
Go on. Go on.
What is your daily routine on your Farmville game? Or your your Farmer Simulator?
What time you wake up? To what
I
time
mine
you stop?
gold. I grow weed.
Oh, you growing weed?
Yeah, you do a lot. So the game is Farming Simulator, but it's just like GTA. You could add mods, right? So the game is, as he said, very interesting because it's just like real life. All the machines in there, you can literally learn about farming.
All right, you going off on a tangent. What is your routine? Yes, you
what
are.
time do
What
you
is your
start?
routine?
No,
You
like
said
the
you grow
time.
weed. That's all you told me. You grow weed. You ain't tell me
the
nothing
time.
else.
You farm. I farm weed and I mine for like stones.
I didn't know you could grow weed on that.
There's different mods. You could have. I have
He do.
seeds,
Like how you
have
said, got
different
mods.
Nah, I
Yeah.
like Farmville. I ain't gonna hold you.
So you know I have you dig for you collect pay dirt just like gold mining. You collect pay dirt. Put it in
So you playing Minecraft too?
Nah, I ain't bad. I ain't that gaming.
Yo, this is what.
No, but farming
Yeah,
simulator
well, I
is an imaginative game.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie to you, yo.
I am.
You niggas is the first niggas that I've ever met that really like showed me like y'all niggas really playing simulator games, yo. Like when I seen this nigga playing the airplane the pilot simulator, and this nigga was like, yeah, it's a 6-hour flight, and then he just sat back. This nigga just sat back. It was like just had the controller sitting there. He rolled it up, chilling. I'm like, nigga, it's a whole. Like, we really about to sit here for 6 hours?
For fun?
Wait.
Only nigga I ever
Pool
know
dot,
who
that's
did
pool
that was
dot.
for like actual training.
Yeah, they do though.
Wait.
But that's why these simulators are very important.
Son, this nigga Pundai. I'm talking about you, son. What you with your pilot simulator, son? Well, you was like, yeah, this nigga's like, yeah, it's like a 6-hour flight. Yo, this nigga sat back, rolled up. He just put a controller down, and he just let it go. The plane was just going. I'm like, so this is.
For I mean, like are you preparing for
Don't
something?
don't answer his question without me saying my
sorry.
question
My
because
bad.
I said I have a question before he started talking.
Talk that shit. What's up?
I have a question. I know you guys are not really playing these fucking games and like actually waiting for.
I'm telling you for a fact that
6
they
hours?
So
Are you
Oh,
sitting
yeah,
in the
yeah,
same
yeah.
spot?
No,
for 6
he was
hours?
no. Let me tell you. He was like, nah, the flight on. He's
Crazy. But tell you, yo, you know, since we on Bucky topic.
Yeah, right.
We on Bucky topic.
Let me tell you what this nigga said. So in the same time we talk about this later on, because that was all right after the move. So later on we chilling, vibing, smoking, you know, got some food. This nigga on his rants, you know, his regular rants, like, don't stop. Rant started from outside back into the room. Now we talking. Now this nigga got everybody's attention.
Unfortunately.
So this nigga proceeds to start talking about back in the day and flexing.
Back in the day.
This nigga
Flexing.
This nigga flex was, yo, when I was like younger, I used to have mad teddy bears on my bed. Wait.
Not man boy. Not girl boy. Not girl boy.
Oh my God.
No, let me finish.
Not gal boy.
You lying.
No, this, let me finish.
Jay, tell the story.
You lying.
So here,
Not gal boy.
No, this and then he go on to say, yo. And we like, wait, what? He's like, yeah, mad teddy bears. I had a lion.
Oh, this nigga
I had
crazy.
This, I had that.
Oh, this nigga got tequila. Ray
Then
is
the nigga
crazy.
went on to say, right
my
before he
liver.
went to sleep.
We have a
Oh my
Heavenly
God.
path.
Oh, right before he went to sleep, he'll take all of them off and put it on the couch
Respect that.
across from his bed so they could watch him sleep. Like,
What?
Oh
This
my
nigga.
God. Yo, all right, Jay. Yo, how old did I say I was?
Yeah, you not.
I want you to tell this your side of the story because this shit sound crazy.
Yeah, you not my pops.
Agreed.
That nigga disowned you.
I cannot confirm.
Before you tell your story,
I mean, I'll tell a story.
and I want to know that I'm the only one judging you.
It's a safe space, yo.
Anybody in the studio
He's not adding.
was a fan of collecting teddy bears?
No.
No? Okay.
I had action figures, yo. Like
That's
G.I.
what I said.
I drew the
Pokemon.
line. I drew the line at Pokemon cards.
Bro, so that's the only thing I talked about.
Son, teddy bears.
No, carry on.
No, son, if that's even a subject to come up, son.
You know what? No, I'm owning my teddy bear. I'm not telling you I ain't collect my teddy bear.
You was going to build a bear too?
Watch y'all sleep.
Alright, so
And he said he would organize them like.
And them watch y'all sleep.
Tallest and shortest so all of them can see him.
I just got back. I'm leaving again.
I'm not trying.
Yes, I am. Because what the
I
fuck?
ain't gonna tell you, bro. Listen,
Why, you have some teddy bears?
no, my daughter's 8 and her bed is
You heard what he said, though. Daughters.
filled
Daughters.
with
Daughters.
no, my daughter.
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 Yeah,
It's
daughter.
filled with teddy bear. But I'm
That's
not
son.
chiming in. Some people do though, because I got a homeboy and he collect. He collect, you know, the little gremlin dolls or the troll dolls.
The Furbies or trolls?
The trolls.
Or
Remember
trolls?
the trolls
Damn,
back
he
in the day?
collect trolls?
He collect trolls.
Yeah,
And they above his fireplace. I don't know.
Yeah, that's
Bro,
wild,
listen,
actually.
I'm sorry.
That's some weird shit,
I
like-
spilled that.
yeah,
If you watch it.
Well, all I'm
Bro,
saying.
They don't, I mean-
I collect my teddy bears, but it wasn't.
still do?
I didn't
He
go
said
out-
it.
So you still
I
do?
didn't go out and no. I didn't go, bro. I was a kid, and I didn't go out and collect.
So you still collect teddy bears, it's okay, son. We respect you still, so you good, son. You still the bandit as long as you collect teddy bears, yo.
No, listen to me. I'm winning these at bingo competitions that I go with.
You in the bingo competitions?
we were
everybody
we
respect-
were
Bingo,
You a professional bingo player?
You gotta quit when you're ahead, bro.
Yo, what?
Yeah, you can say that.
What is going on?
Wait, professional bingo?
So
Like you was a professional bingo, like you was on the Jamaican team for bingo?
I ain't never met nobody
you
like
make it
that.
That's
sound like
crazy.
Some female blood clot teddy bear they on my bed. Me never lion on
No,
my bed.
it's not. Listen.
That's what was on my bed.
Was it lions, tigers, and bears?
No, it's not a female teddy bear.
Oh, my.
No,
Oh,
it's not
my.
a female teddy bear, no, but you see when you line up your whole life female, the teddy bear them for watch you, that is a female move. When you line up all the female
Or
all the
demonic.
teddy bears to
Or
watch
the-
you, bro.
Or demonic.
That's true.
Yo,
I didn't
listen.
think about that part.
One man have
Now
men
wait.
teddy bears.
Did you ever have conversations?
A whole lot of men teddy bears.
Did you?
SpongeBob
I got
Patrick.
one. I
That's
got.
a re-
Yeah, answer that question.
You talked to them, didn't you?
Answer.
Oh no! Get up.
You was talking to your bears,
To them too.
to your plushies.
Why? Are you okay?
My teacher said I got.
It's okay. No, it's a safe space. It's a safe space. It's a safe space.
We listen and we don't judge.
That's why this nigga talk so much. He ain't had no friends back then. So when he got to catch up with us,
Bro.
yo.
Hey, yo, no, I have another question,
we gotta
yo.
stop. We gotta stop.
I have another question. We can leave it alone after this.
All right.
Did you ever go to sleep and cuddle up with them?
Nah.
You lying.
Yeah, you are
That's
lying.
what I wanna explain.
You was talking
The
to him.
context. That's what I want to explain. The
Go
context.
ahead, man.
The
Go ahead.
reason why I even
Go ahead.
brought that shit up, right?
You didn't bring it up. He brought it up.
No.
But
I'm saying
continue.
the reason why we brought that up, I kind of brought
Why
it
you
up
was
in
out there?
conversation. The reason why I said that it was a flex, right?
That's not nowhere
Listen
ever a
to me,
flex.
bro. Listen to me, bro.
Go ahead, man. Go ahead.
Listen to me.
It just, I don't get it.
Bro, listen. But it wasn't a lot of teddy bears, bro. I was exaggerating.
It's like 6,
It was
7,
and
or
the
16.
biggest one was a tiger and stuff like that. But listen.
How many? You said it wasn't a lot. How many, yo? Give us a ballpark number, yo.
It's at least 10. It was at least 10.
Not a lot. It's at least 10. Is
You know what they
crazy.
say? The rule of 3.
Not a
camera
lot.
can't
At
see me.
least 10 is
Hold on.
crazy, yo.
Hold on.
Chaz, my fault,
The
bro.
conversation was, I think, was it bed size? We were talking about.
Oh, you had that big ass fucking.
So that's how you had 10 teddy bears
That's
on
what
it,
the
yo.
conversation was. And I was like, yo, I had so, like, I always had my own room. I didn't have to sleep with
Oh, you was
siblings.
spoiled as shit.
Yeah, I was low-key spoiled.
Had to
So
be,
that's
bro.
how I
With
was
10
trying-
teddy bears.
Right.
Ain't no nigga in the trenches got teddy bears on their bed.
Right, with 10 of
So
them back
he was
there.
definitely
10.
Your parents loved you. Were they married?
No.
Both parents.
My mom was
But you
on that
had
shit.
two parents
My mom-
though. Whether or
yeah,
not it was
yeah,
your biological, but there
yeah,
was 2 of them in
yeah.
there.
But
Alright.
the thing is,
Understand.
that's the only collection I had, bro.
I understand.
I collected Hot Wheels.
Did you?
I
Yeah, I had a crazy Hot Wheels
Tonka
collection.
trucks.
But
I had crazy exotic
Yo.
animals. I had 20.
Hey, yo, speaking of that shit, and this is a complete sidebar, but this shit was funny as hell.
I'm just saying.
It's this dude that work with me, yo, dishwasher at my job, yo. You know, dishwashers always be different. Either they be foreign as fuck or they be
Yeah, I did a
they be
few
on the
years of
spectrum a little
dishwashing.
bit. So this one, he on the spectrum a little bit. Cool as shit, yo. Cool as a bitch, yo. Funny as a bitch, yo. Cool as a bitch, yo.
Let me get a mixer.
Does a great job. It's some Canada Dries right here. If you need, oh yeah. So yesterday we closed it. I'm closing bar or whatever. I'm doing my thing. It's close to the end of the time where we about to shut the doors down and everything. He starts yelling, "Okay, everybody gotta get the fuck out. We gotta go. We gotta go." They're like, "What?" He like, "Yeah, this girl just hit me, just messaged me, told me that I could play Matchbox cards on her ass."
Whoa.
I have never heard him talk like this
hold
ever.
up.
He's been working there for at least a year.
That's a kink.
Yo,
That's
when he
what-
said that and he started yelling it,
That's absurd.
all I could think about was like, yo, you know what? Let's get everybody out of here, yo. Let's get this boy.
Let's wrap it up.
Dude was like, yo, this girl just messaged me and she told me that I could play Matchbox cards on her
That's
ass.
a kink. He been wanting to do some shit.
What? When I tell he yelled it.
I'm afraid of
That's not no like random
Do
shit.
y'all
Like
believe
that's
it?
some shit.
Do
you-
y'all
I have never heard anything like that in my life.
believe
How big is her ass though?
I had so many questions, but I wasn't about to ask him.
All right,
What I
yeah,
mean?
that's right.
Do you
I wasn't
believe
about
in kinks?
like I said. Once again, I said he is on the spectrum. So he on so much on the spectrum to where he has a box that if he does
He
not,
really on the spectrum?
if he's not, what's it? If they don't want to talk,
Yeah.
if he doesn't want to talk, something he has a box that he puts up and says, "I'm
Does
sorry."
he have earphones?
If he's in the mood. And he's like, if I don't have, if
You know what that
his box says that
What the fuck that mean?
They got the
today is not a good day for me, I am not in the mood to talk, and he has a box that he sets up right at the end of the at the dish pit,
It's normal these days.
and
bro.
you don't say shit to him because he will
said-
snap.
When I went to the open house, she's like, we gotta go see the crazy
You
kids.
believe
I'm like,
in
what's the
kinks?
crazy kids?
Hell yeah,
She's
You
like,
believe in
it's the
kinks?
kids that she
You
was
believe in
basically
kinks?
that's a real thing. Yeah.
you know disabled
Won't
kids
die.
and shit like that.
Never mind.
My baby's 8.
Sit.
I'm like, what's the crazy kids, baby? She said, it's the kids that without their earphones, they start losing their minds. I said, baby,
It's everything is overstimulating for him. That's why they be like that. Yeah, that's a real thing,
don't
yo.
call them crazy kids.
You can't call them crazy though. That's wild.
She's 8.
Oh, she ate.
I went
Okay.
to the open house, and then all the other girls came up to her and shit like that, and they was
Oh,
talking. You're like,
okay.
Mia, let's go see the crazy
Yeah.
kids. I'm like, What's the
I'm
crazy
trying to
kids?
figure out what's
That's not. Don't say
Nah,
that.
8 is yeah. I get it. My son 8. I get it. I
But
get it. All. Yeah. Yep.
So he wear headphones.
Nah, my son don't wear headphones.
No,
nah.
I'm talking about the dude your check. The
Nah, he good.
the dishwasher.
The dishwasher.
No, he
When, if he ever in one of those non-vocal, what is it, non-contact,
Verbal,
non-conversational, whatever they call it,
Non-verbal.
non-verbal. Thank you. When he's in his non-verbal mood, he has a box that he puts in that says non-verbal.
Oh, see,
Look at you.
Is it
Wow.
I'm glad you-
autistic?
no, that's me, but that's not that.
No, I'm ADHD,
I don't.
but this
I
dude is
forgot the name
autistic.
of
You
it.
look crazy.
That's what the
The
little
vocabulary
kids,
is
little
there.
kids,
What's the
little kids
little
called
kids
them
say?
that. The little kids, I
Okay,
didn't call them
What
that.
did they do?
When I went to the open house, my daughter and stuff and all the other little girls in her class came up to her and said, "Hey, Mia, let's go see the crazy kids." I'm like, "Baby, what's the crazy kids?" And she said, "Oh, it's the kids in the cafeteria. Without their headphones, they start to lose their minds." I said,
Yeah, baby, you can't do it. You can't call him back. Baby, yeah,
"That's what I said."
That's what that one right there. You can't
I
call
don't
back.
know.
They're non-verbal.
Yeah.
Like dishwasher.
Nah,
Like your dishwasher.
yeah, exactly.
Like your dishwasher.
So for him to say that,
Yeah.
was what like yo. When I tell you he be snapping,
Let him express
He
himself.
plays-
He like to play matchbox cards.
bro. When he said that, I was like, yo, let's get him out of here, guys. Let's clear this up, yo.
Yeah, he need to live that fantasy.
But so today I mentioned it to my manager. My manager is one of my boys. Like I watched him come up in the race, and he one of my boys. So I'm talking to him about it, and he's like, he telling me, he like, yo, I heard he be on Tinder a lot, so that's probably probably really
He met
happened
a
for him.
freshie.
Yo.
He met a
Exactly.
freshie. Yeah, listen, she was with that kinky shit.
I ain't mad at him, bro. I ain't mad at him, man.
Brother,
Look at the second one.
all I'm saying, your daughter sound like your granddad.
Oh, bro. Yeah.
But that
you
shit
gotta
is.
meet her, bro. She's a riot, bro. These kids, I tell you what.
These kids nowadays are something else,
they
yo.
don't.
Ain't no filter on none of them.
Nah.
It's no filter. Yo, I always say that this generation, that generation of kids and everything, that generation, because I believe they are part of Generation Alpha, I think it's called.
Omega.
Ari included everything. That generation of kids is really the not give a fuck age.
100%.
They don't give a fuck. Because
Bro,
you got to think about it. And it's as messed up as it is, but as realistic as it is, yo, the way the world is now and the shit they growing up in, yo, they don't care. Gender, roles, all of that shit, yo, they don't give a fuck about none of that shit. Yo, race, if racism is like this, they gonna bring racism to this.
Fact.
Because they don't care about none of that shit, yo. What color you are, what you are, they don't care. We was raised differently, yo. These
Way
kids,
differently.
the way even if we try to raise our kids a certain way, what they seeing in the world alone, it's a whole different world, bro.
That's what I was.
My daughter don't give a fuck. I was at in Aeropostale. I was in one of those in the mall.
Mm-hmm.
And my daughter wanted this goddamn Hello Kitty bag, and it was fucking like $160. And I told her no, and then she gonna tell me in front of the lady, "Why? Cause you don't got no money."
Yo, I got you. I got one up on you, yo.
I
So
said, "Baby,
and it's funny because they the same age. It's funny as hell. 'Cause they
excuse me, I bought the bag.
You had to buy the bag.
I bought the
You
bag.
had to buy the bag now.
I was like, what? What do you mean?
I try to show up my pocket.
Yo, I remember my son told me one day, he asked me for some money, and I was like, yo, I ain't got it right now. I'm broke, yo. He said, yeah, you broke? He's like, you ain't got a single dollar? I was like, nah, bro, I ain't got a single. That's probably like some Robux or some shit. I was like, I don't even got a single dollar. He's like, yeah, you don't got a single. He's like, that's why you single, because you don't even got a single dollar. I said, whoa.
Okay.
Hey,
Wait,
yo.
say that slower. I got it.
Time out. First off,
Hey,
go to your room.
Give me the Roblox.
Wait.
Go to your room.
Wait. Bring it back, because that one's still...
What? He hit me with he's like, that's why you sick.
No,
He
I'll
asked
say
me,
the whole setup again. You got to give me a setup.
he was like, yo, Dad, can I get some money? I said, I don't have any money. I'm broke right now. Just talking. I'm broke, man. You ask for money all the time. You always asking for something, yo. I'm broke. How our parents used to do us, and we had to accept it, actually.
Well, I would get smacked for saying
Yeah,
talking back.
you couldn't dare.
Yeah,
But
saying some shit like that.
so he's like, yeah, so you broke? I was like, yeah. He like, you don't got a single dollar? I'm like, nah, I don't got a single dollar. He said, yeah, that's why you single, because you don't got a single dollar.
Ooh.
I
What?
would have had to fight my child.
What? First off, go to your room. Second off, give me your phone. Let me get these Robux. Because I got money. I don't know what you thought this was, bro.
I would be like, how did you get that rope like?
But where you hurt?
That hurt a lot, actually, yo.
Nigga.
Yo, that was a dagger, bro. What do you
He
mean?
just grounded a nigga.
What? What? Go to your room.
I ain't gonna lie. When my daughter said you ain't got no money, I'll swipe the credit card.
Yeah, I mean, it happens.
'Cause I didn't have no money on the time.
V-Bucks or some shit.
Back in the days, my lips would have been.
Yeah.
Nah, I got him.
Back
I
in
got
the
him.
day-
I got him.
Back in the
Twisted
day,
my
we
shit.
wouldn't
I got
even
him.
been able to say that.
My
Twist that bitch.
mom was smart.
Backhanded the shit
My
out
mom
of
never
me.
took me out when she bought shit. She just bought it and took it home.
And you know what? Now that you say that out loud, I never thought about that. I feel like my mother might have pulled that shit too, yeah.
She kept you at home because she knew you was gonna
Like,
ask.
my mother took me to the mall probably like 3 times,
Now
yo.
looking back at it, this is how fucked up it was. Even with clothes, it would be a hit and miss. I probably was one of the first niggas to wear bell bottoms and got roasted.
Yeah,
Thinking it was some hot shit because my mom would have tried
now
it.
stack jeans the
Type
thing.
shit.
Now niggas out here wearing stack jeans like it's nothing.
Type shit.
Facts.
So I'm saying she just buy shit and say, look at this shit. And she just watch. I don't like it. And and then she have another batch for my brother. And he don't give a fuck. He just weird as
Weird
shit.
as shit.
He don't care. As long as it's new, he putting that bitch on.
Word, nigga.
I remember my
He a
mom.
grateful, he a humble motherfucker.
Right, grateful as hell.
Word.
My
He
mom
said,
bought
"Thank
me.
you,
My mom
mama."
bought me.
Oh my, these bobos.
Bro,
Feel fine.
No, the Bobos, though, for real.
my mom bought me a pair of LA Gears one time.
LA Gears.
Yeah.
Damn, man.
LA Lights was fire though.
But it was
Some-
not.
It was not those. It wasn't those.
It was,
It wasn't those
I use
ones.
the bathroom.
It was LA Gears, but it was not the male ones.
Oh.
And I was rocking them bitches.
Somebody got you. Somebody caught you.
Swear they did. Swear I knew something until they
What
told
year
me.
was this? 1850 or 17?
That shit painful, yo.
In Jamaica, I couldn't
Because you
wear
were a
any
vampire.
expensive clothes. Anything. Not even shoes. I remember this one time I got a necklace from my mom. She sent it to Jamaica with my aunt.
Yo,
Why?
why you twang, bro?
I got torn in that necklace.
Yeah.
I went to go by a bus to go back to St. Thomas.
Yeah,
Go
mix
and
it up
touch
a
the neck.
little,
No necklace.
Yo, you was fine, bro. Bro, don't let Bucky don't let Bucky ever talk you out of talking, yo.
I just said, yeah.
Cause all he do is
I
talk.
have something expensive, bro. Yeah. When we wear my necklace, got Kingston downtown. And as soon as we jump by a bus, we go back to St. Thomas. No necklace around my neck.
They got you.
Good God.
They got you, bro.
That's why when I'm going there, me have to give my mother, give whosoever, whatever adult I'm going with, everything out of my pocket. Phone, wallet, everything.
So you're
I
not going
couldn't even go with these rings on my finger. Swear.
Someone who don't know about tone, they say, yeah, puppy show.
Bro, at that
Yeah,
time
but
I was
don't
young
think
though.
so,
At that time I was in my teens.
You still in your teens.
Still in your teens is crazy, yo. Still in your teens is crazy. On his birthday. On his birthday is crazy, yo.
He talking about back in his day. No, nigga.
Disrespectful.
Back in your day, you had fucking phones. Back in the day, we had the lights, the street lights.
She do got a point with that part. I know that that's part of it, but she did. She got to hit. She got to hit with that one.
Yeah, she got me with that one. So, all right. So now that we got settled in and shit, let's go.
Thank God.
Get him out of here.
Yeah, what happened?
Get him out of here.
We can finally start the show. All right, before we even start the show.
We ain't start the show yet?
No,
Good job on that
the
transition.
show about to start. Jay is mic one, man. Jay about to start the show. Go ahead, Jay.
No worries.
The show ain't started yet?
Fuck out of here.
No, the
Fuck
show
you
ain't started
niggas.
yet.
The show ain't
That was
started.
the intro.
Jay, you know what I'm saying?
Motherfucker, go ahead,
Remember
man.
this?
We don't need no over talking.
This
We
was
don't
all.
need no.
This was all stemmed from this nigga love for teddy bears. This is how this got here. So now we just
That nigga dummy love teddy bears.
all right. So
Say you still got bad teddy bears, bro. Just say you got bad teddy bears.
all right, people. Thanks for tuning in again. This is
We got
your
five.
boy Gyalis Jay, and that was the intro. I hope y'all enjoyed it.
The intro was crazy, yo.
So right now, let's get into it. So we are checking on a couple of stuff, and then we go back to our regular shit. So on the internet, one of the main things that stood out to me this week that I saw was that, and people in the chat, y'all can go check and correct me if I'm wrong, was that the Cuba. There was a post that
Shout out to Cuba and everybody that's going through the weather right now in Cuba.
yeah,
That ass is
there's
gonna
a
do it.
there's a post that said the people in the emergency died, or in what they call it, the babies
ICU.
Yeah, the keep babies in the incubators.
But I hope everybody, the government, anybody who's a civilian or the government in Cuba right now is taking this as a huge generational wake-up call. Fuck the U.S. and don't rely on these niggas. Because these niggas don't know what the hell they got going on.
Let me stop. I didn't say that.
So, y'all need to rely on your own infrastructure. Y'all need to rely on your own infrastructure, okay? Because that's crazy. At the end of the day, like, the U.S. don't know what we got going on.
Yeah,
so,
no idea
don't ride any country. I'm going to be honest with you. Any country right now that's relying on the U.S., like, we don't know what we got going on, so don't rely on us. Because the citizens ain't even got control. So I'm going to tell you right now, shout out to those in Cuba that's actually surviving. All right? But yeah, the Cuban government, y'all need to...
I wish I knew the Cuban anthem. I would have played it.
So, alright, so the Cuban anthem, I go through. So it's crazy.
They've been going through it.
Yeah, because them just kicked the pussy all of my Jamaican, Andrew just kicked them out of Jamaica.
Type shit, so that's a whole part of it too.
Yeah, we just say, yeah, but the one, the thing we just talk about.
Hey, that not Trump. Don't
disappear.
Yo, shout out to Cuba though. You know what I do know about Cuba? They got some fire ass doctors, man. Yo, Cuba got some fire ass doctors.
What makes you say that?
Shout out to all the BBL doctors out there. I know y'all getting that bread, bro.
Yeah, I'm about to say, what made you say that? Like they got some the
Nah,
BBL surgeons?
Nah, the best ones I know
No,
be in
like,
Cuba. I heard the best ones be in Cuba.
Okay. All right, I thought it was DR.
Yeah, Cuban
As a Jamaicans, we
medical school is known to be one of the best.
Really?
The majority of our
That was a joke. Sorry.
doctors are like
Joke.
Cuban.
Yeah.
All
You know what I'm
props.
saying?
All
Yeah.
prop.
And
So,
they're,
should we do a
as Jay say,
cups up for Cuba?
Cups up for Cuba.
Down for that, man.
Bar.
It's kids dying and everything out there.
Facts.
Hell yeah,
See
man.
you
Facts.
Shout out to Cuba.
Shout out to Cuba.
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 Cubano.
Fidel.
Whoa.
Alright, Jay.
Real rap out.
Force like a rabbit.
Yeah, so on to the next part of that now. Because that's one part of how the government is acting crazy. So the next part of it is
Acting crazy. They is crazy.
in most of the international airports is getting real cold. They got ice rings in the airports.
Yeah, man.
Summer just started, but
Yeah, but they got ice rings in the
they're going
airports.
crazy now. Everywhere, getting icebergs. That's crazy.
Yeah, there's a
Yeah,
lot.
ice in the airport is crazy,
I
yo.
ain't going, since I don't put my whole government out there.
You already did earlier.
You know, I got friends that actually are employed by that department of the government.
Really, they making money too,
So I
huh?
will say
Tell them
yes.
to stop it.
I bet they is, yo.
Most money ever made in their career.
I believe that.
So I will
believe
say
that.
this though, ICE has been around since the early 2000s, but how they're being used is a different story right now. Underneath this administration, they've always been around, but how they're being used is a different story, and I don't agree with it. They're being weaponized and the third. So
Early
those though,
2000s.
I will tell you those though. Everybody, I don't care if you ICE, a policeman, second and third. Those who like to hide behind the badge, y'all bitch.
Oh, yeah, let me cover me for you.
No,
Time
that's
shit.
a fact. No, that's real.
I'm telling you right now,
That's
if you
real.
hiding behind if you abusing your power because you ICE, you the government, you the state police, it's not there for you be abusing your authority,
That nigga pointing
you
fingers.
bitch.
Not me.
Period. Period.
Type shit.
He said
Period.
not me. And him too.
No, me agree. Me agree.
You bitch.
Yeah, I
It's
agree.
second and third, man. See one-on-one, hand to hand.
Right. So
I wanted to go to Jamaica for my birthday.
I'm sorry, they irritate
and I
me.
chose not to
They
because I
irritate
heard that
me, I'm
ICE
sorry.
was at every airport.
in major,
You don't want to get stuck
Major
at Jamaica.
airports.
major international,
Major airports.
international airports.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But for most of that, so that goes on to the next question. Seeing that we're still in a war, and
A war unannounced. I woke up early February on that fucking Saturday trying to go to work, make some money, found out we don't bomb niggas.
Bomb the fuck out of
What the
this.
fuck going on, man?
Yeah, he don't give a fuck, man.
We,
You know our
I don't
president
remember
care.
hearing no address on Congress talking about we about to go. Yeah, nah.
No, hell no. He just do what he feel like.
I'll
He
tell
wake
you,
up in the morning
It's
and be
not
like,
even
you know what?
him. It's not even him. I'll tell you this. Them niggas, listen. Everybody told me before I came on this podcast, don't talk about these niggas. But I'll tell you what, Israel, at the end of the day, you holding the fucking gun.
We have a disclaimer, don't worry.
At the end of the day,
speaking about it.
y'all niggas is the reason that we over there.
I say, hold
Okay?
up.
Y'all let y'all niggas see the fair ones yourselves. Y'all should see the fair ones yourselves. If y'all really gangster, how y'all say y'all see the fair ones yourselves without nukes.
That's
See the
real.
fair ones yourselves. Why y'all involved in the
This
U.S.?
is ground troops.
Nigga, we got potholes over here, man. Okay? We ain't got no health care
No.
over here, man. We got shit we got to worry about over here.
Real shit over here already going on.
Overhead. Okay? Fuck Israel. We sending them niggas how many billions a year? Fuck out of here, man. So anyway, that war was BS. BS. Bullshit. So
That's my first time hearing that.
fuck all that, man. That war that's going over there. Trump, get out of there. Tell that, yo, smack that nigga Netanyahu.
He said that.
Next time you see that nigga, smack that nigga, man. If you really gangster, you from New York, Donald
He ain't
Trump,
about that. He ain't
smack
about
that nigga,
I think
man.
on
Word.
Hold on. He not about that. You know he not about
I'm
that.
telling you this and that. You only 7, you about 70 years old. You about to go out anyway. On your way out,
He
smack
past
that
70.
nigga, man. If you really gangster, if not, if you a puppet, keep going, keep playing how you playing. But
Trump gangster,
Yeah,
but he
that-
also, I think
I'll
Trump
bring
gonna-
you
if
my
you is, man, that's what I'm saying,
Trump
you
ain't
man.
gonna go on the streets like that.
He ain't about that.
You really a New York nigga, man. I'm telling you, man.
He not
Go
though.
on.
He business.
Alright,
He hung around. He hung
You
around
about
New
to be
York niggas.
listen, man. I know you not. I
No,
know.
but if it's-
I ain't. We ain't.
We
go
know
ahead.
we know say Batman Yahoo him have the footage them, you know, that's why he can't really say because if you get
Yeah,
one
and that
back-
nigga Netanyahu, man. How the fuck where you get the balls? Yo, you done address the Congress more than France, England, and any other ally. Who is you? Who is you? Get that nigga out of here. I tell you, Israel, handle your own ones, bro.
CarPro.
Handle your own ones, bro.
No, that's real though.
Israel,
They do their
handle
own
your
business.
own ones, bro. All right? Attesting your own sins, man. At the end of the day, testing your own sins. U.S. you big bro. U.S. ain't about to sit here and have your back. Okay, we got shit. We got potholes.
Wow.
Yeah.
We got potholes over here. Pooh Shiesty, man.
Pooh Shiesty, man.
Wow.
Pooh Shiesty, man. Threw his life away.
We got shit going on over here.
Threw his fucking life away, man. Pooh Shiesty, man.
About that shit, though.
Gucci a clone.
There's a lot going on.
We got a lot going on.
There's a lot going on.
Let's talk about that shit, though.
Alright,
That's a dope ass segue. Y'all heard how that shit went down?
Which one?
Crazy work.
I know you here, because you listen to that Batman.
Yo, why you the only one eating?
Mad food at that.
You keep coming back with
That's a well done steak.
I didn't want it well done. But
That shit well done as
That
a
shit look
bitch.
nasty.
That shit look
bro.
dry.
I ain't gonna lie. Dry as shit.
That's like if you eat it, it's gonna make your lips ashy. I ain't gonna lie to
That's
you.
crazy.
It's gonna be hard to digest.
Yo, the love my friend food makes you enjoy our food.
Nah, she good. I ain't trying to yuck her yum, so I'm just saying, yo, that shit look wild.
That shit like you got that.
Nah, you good. You good. Knock out. That's a ribeye too.
Your stomach gonna hurt.
Good,
later
well
on.
done.
Good, well done.
I drink some coconut milk with that though.
Well,
Oh, y'all was at a barbecue. Oh, I forgot you said y'all barbecue. Yeah, that's
Yo,
what.
we are not right.
this nigga say you got that good, well done.
That's like beef jerky, yo.
Good, well done.
Great, well
there's only
done.
two choose. nigga.
Two.
But nah,
You got good teeth though, so I respect it, yo.
Yeah, back
That's
to the
hard. That's hard to
topic, man.
find. Yo, shout out to the females with actually got all their teeth and they daddies. But shout out to females that got all
Yo,
their
two
teeth.
pair of households, yo.
Two pair of households, whether
Shouts
you
out to
biological
women
or
with the
not.
two pair of households, yo,
Shout
for
out
real,
two pair of
yo.
households,
Give me
bro.
a
Judge,
Give me a sec.
All right, I'm done. I'm sorry.
hold on.
Give me a sec. Half the room.
I'm sorry.
Give me a sec.
Hold on.
You don't see you're too sure.
I'm
I
sorry.
told me know your parents, you know. But everybody-
My daddy left early. I ain't gonna lie. That's why I say shout out to the women with the two pair of households, yo.
Yeah.
My daddy said he was coming back, and that was dumb,
My
bro.
mom and dad still
When
holding
I
it
make
down,
me and
bro.
Bucky get uncomfortable.
I'm done.
You gotta do
I
up
bet.
top.
Yeah.
Yo, why did the cell block got it black and blood?
What?
It's crazy.
What did you talking about? What did you say?
Son,
No, what did he just say?
son, what? What language is that?
What the hell? What was said just now? What did you just say?
Say it again. Say it again.
Why did cell blocks black and blood?
Chat, if you understood what he said,
Anybody can translate that right now.
please.
Send your cash app right away.
Say it again, please.
What the fuck? Anyway,
I'm trying to spit some bars. But
no.
it didn't work.
Fuck that. Back to Gucci, man. I'm not about to have my brain twisted. This
Go
nigga just
ahead.
blew my high.
Go ahead.
Now I got, hold up, wait. What the fuck?
Yeah, man. Listen, man.
So explain the
Pooh
situation.
Shiesty,
Explain the situation.
I
Hold on, for people in the
understand.
chat. Explain the situation to him. Go ahead.
So, from the video of the audio that they said happened, that niggas went to the studio, held Gucci at gunpoint, and have him like sign like a release contract. And Gucci was trying to explain like that's not how it goes. The lawyers got to be involved. Yada yada yada. And they also robbed him of jewelry and shit.
Yeah.
And I think they took his wife jewelry too.
I don't know.
Or his jewelry and his wedding.
I know they took his jewelry. I know they took his
I don't
shit.
know. Maybe I'm here to make that.
They might have though. If she was there, I'm quite sure they took her
Yeah,
shit.
took jewelry, but shit. Nigga had an ankle bracelet on too.
Yeah, he on parole.
There's a lot of information that we don't know. At the end of the day,
what we do know is that we know for a fact that he is on parole.
Sometimes I know that the music industry is fucked. So I know niggas try to get over niggas. I know there's been multiple cases in history where niggas been trying to hold people on gunpoint to get out of contracts. Did he?
I ain't want to say it. I ain't want to say it.
He did it and got away with it. But anyway,
Yeah, a lot of shit got away
Pooh
with it.
Shiesty got out. Was trying to get his bag right. Seen some shit ain't lined up. Gucci, this and the third. All right, went in there as a G, was recording, and then said at the end of this track, you about to get me out of this contract, or you coming off something. I understand. So I get it. At the end of the day, you fresh out. You trying to get your bag right. Gucci over here, you know, trying to get his
remember
bag.
what he got locked up for, bro.
I get it.
Yeah.
He got locked up for armed robbery, yo.
Stealing, robbing the sneaker.
So Gucci, at the end of the day, you a dummy because this nigga just got out for armed robbery and you still playing with him. That's not the nigga I want to play with, bro. At the end of the day. So let him out of his contract peacefully because I know he talked to you about it. Because niggas talk to you about it before they do some monkey shit.
It's a dub,
They'll
though,
give
bro.
you a warning.
It's a dub, bro.
I know Pooh shit. I know what was his real name.
I'm sure he hit him up before, prior to that.
Right.
I'm sure he hit him up prior to that, yo.
Right.
I don't disagree with that. I believe that Pooh Shiesty has hit Gucci up before that and probably either got ignored or they was beating around. They was giving a runaround. Yo. So I guarantee you that's why it turned into that. Not saying it was a smart move.
Right.
That was stupid. Right. But the one nigga that was with him already arrested, yo.
Well, he with a whole gang of niggas that's not with that bullshit.
Oh, they about to RICO that whole shit, yo. That's another thing too. They're gonna try to RICO a lot of shit, yo.
100%.
That's been
I ain't gonna hold you. Shout out to his pops for being with it too. I'm about to get my son out of this too, bruh.
I respect that.
I'm proud of his pops, bruh. Hopefully that whole gang get out of this shit, get their bread right, and then y'all do right after that. At the end of the day, hopefully y'all get out of that, and then y'all do right after that. At the end of the day, Gucci, I can't fault you either for getting your money
What
right.
you said?
But if that nigga say he want his shit right,
is that real?
Her pops a snitch. Just saying.
So he be out here talking.
Yeah.
I heard Gucci a snitch.
We all heard that.
I'm just saying, a lot of snitching going on.
But then again, once again, we gotta imagine that. We got not imagine.
Pay niggas they money, bro. Yeah. Pay niggas they money.
The music business fucked, as he said. So.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It'd be a lot of rats in the music business, in the industry.
It's a crazy story because of how he just got up, but you know.
Yes.
That's what makes the story so much is that he is literally on parole.
Right on the topic.
And and for him to make that move, crazy. For you to make a move like that when you on parole is crazy.
Alright.
Yeah, you ain't hear first day out. First day out still my head.
Yeah.
FDO still in my head right now. Yeah. So hey, the nigga say he is spinning block in 3.
I work out in the FDO.
That's real shit.
I work out in that song.
So since we
ain't surprising.
Since we're on the topic of music right now, let's do we ain't did a music update.
One mic over here.
We ain't do a music update in a minute. So for now, Kanye dropped last week.
He did, yo.
Oh wait, I seen that.
I haven't listened to it yet though.
Shit?
Is it good?
I have not listened to it yet.
It brought you back to the oh yeah.
Is it really?
Yeah, this shit smooth as
when you say oh yeah, what oh yeah we talk about? College Dropout, My Beautiful Dark Twisted Fantasy, 808s and Heartbreaks.
I would say
Life of Pablo.
I would say Dropout.
College Dropout, yeah.
So smooth, like he got.
Yeah, he would never go back to backpack rap, yo.
College Dropout before his mama died.
It's so slow and smooth, bro. It's none of that new shit. It's just.
Maybe I got to
bro. It's a Life of Pablo type.
He got like
shit,
two bangers on it for me. Two bangers that I could repeat all day, every day. It's
like College Dropout was backpack
like
rap,
said,
yo.
But it's
at the end of the day, I'm gonna say this. Kanye, you not crazy. Go ahead.
No,
Nah,
and
that's a fact.
that's what most of the shit was about in a sense.
You're not crazy.
He's just telling you like all.
That boy lost his mama, and the industry attacked him. Done.
Bro, and he uses mom and the shit to understand.
So Kanye to this day is
And
one
then
of the smartest men.
just like
that
he
ever-
did Tyson when he lost his loved one. The
Yep.
industry jumped on him.
I stand on business when I say that Kanye is one of the most musical geniuses and one of the smartest people in the industry, yo. You have to think about how he moved when it came to, and you know I'm a sneakerhead to the fullest, yo. How he brought Adidas out of the dirt.
Knock that nigga out.
Yeah.
And everything that Kanye ever said he was gonna do in his music, he literally has done it.
It's good. Yo, I just saw Chris. I didn't know he dropped the album, but I did see a reel of him.
On Tuesday he dropped it.
Huh?
On Tuesday he
I'm
dropped
saying I
it.
didn't know until you just said it. So I saw maybe that's why I saw the reel because he's on.
You know he always does promotional shit when he drop.
But I saw a reel of him. I guess in
Kanye?
Korea. Yeah.
In where?
In Korea?
Yeah, I think it's.
Oh, when he went to
Korea or
wow.
some one of them.
Was he-
You know, because he or Japan, one of them.
It might have been Korea. Korea had a good Kanye.
But it was like a round stage.
really?
You had
Korea.
a strap on his back.
Yeah, it was Korea.
And but
Really?
he was trying to start to do his intro.
Right.
And I guess the light people was
Was it
flashing
Uzi
lights
Vert?
too much. And as soon as he started singing, he's like, "Yo, cut that, bro. That shit corny, bro. We went over this in the rehearsal, bro.
Yo, he a
Stop
real
flashing
one,
the
man.
lights, bro."
He's a real
And then
one,
they
man.
like
Megan,
4
okay, she on the
times.
line.
And then niggas keep stopping the engines. Hey, start it over. Start it
Yo,
over.
Kanye is
Get
a
it
real
right.
one, man.
I'm like that. So it's crazy that you just say he dropped the album, you know what I mean? So I didn't know that, bro. So shout out, yeah.
Look, that's it.
Yeah. So and then the album Alkaline.
I haven't listened to that yet either, yo. I saw that.
Oh,
Where is it?
oh.
What Alkaline album would you compare it to?
No pussy test.
Mm.
You should. Nah, me find 4 bang upon it.
Okay.
You know there's another meaning to that, right?
How many tracks is it?
No prison time.
No prison
I
time.
got videos.
Oh shit! I didn't know that.
Yes, sir.
Didn't know that.
That's what the media jumped too quick. But it is no pussy test because, you know, in the outro, you know, you do.
Ah, you know who was dropped
But yeah,
that I did listen to?
Easy. Easy work.
Fetty.
Easy work.
Oh
the new
yeah.
I saw that, but I didn't.
Man, that new song fire.
Fetty's new album.
I already switched
Like
when he
That
dropped it. Already?
cowboy shit.
His album dropped. Yes, and his album is all right.
I fuck with
And you know what's so crazy, son, is that we kind of forgot, like 1730, like we remember Fetty Wap,
30, yay.
but we don't remember Fetty Wap. Like
When he
Fetty
was
Wap
on the
really did.
mixtapes and shit.
Like that new album is all right, yo. That new album is all
That
right, yo.
Sinners one
Really?
is actually.
What type of
Really?
shit gonna be
Yeah.
on.
That Sinners,
Okay.
that Sinners song.
I'm
That's,
to bump that.
that Sinners song and that music video. I'm
He
like,
was in.
that shit was
He got a track
fire.
on New Center shit.
It look. Yeah,
I
he
ain't
used
even-
the concept, but he made it like I don't even fucking know. That shit was fire.
Yeah, I'ma
I
have to-
always fuck with Fetty Wap.
Fire.
I did too.
I ain't tapped
I
into
fuck
that
with
album
you.
yet.
The rest of the niggas that was on his crew was trash, but he was all right, yo.
I say go
His
with
crew.
Kanye.
Yeah, the
Check-
crew.
check
Yeah,
Kanye.
1738 crew, that shit was
Oh,
chill.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, the Remy
Song with
Boys,
Travis
Remy Boys,
Scott?
that was their name,
No,
Remy
no,
Boys.
Remy Boys.
Yeah, they was
the
trash.
new song with Travis Scott.
Yeah, them niggas washed out. I ain't listening
I
to
don't remember which one
I
that is.
think it's like Father or something.
Travis Scott and Kanye got a new video
Oh,
out. That
that's
was
the
supposed to be
one-
off his
yeah,
album.
that's the
Yeah,
one I'm talking
that's what you
about.
talking about. Yeah, I heard that was all
Yo,
right.
you
That's
Travis Scott,
fire.
I tell you what.
I
I tell you
that
what.
way.
Hold on. I'm tell you what, Travis
You
Scott.
and him are the same
If you
rotation
listening,
right there.
if you listening, Travis Scott, get your soul right.
He can't smoke or
Get your
drink
soul
weed.
right.
Fuck he can.
That's your relationship.
What the fuck?
Hey,
Yeah.
albums are dropping, and I feel like the summer is gonna be active. All right, so for dancehall, I feel like the summer.
Jermaine.
I'm looking forward to the summer for dancehall. What y'all think about hip hop?
So-
Are you looking forward to the summer in the hip hop space?
Long.
So
So that's what's gonna be my before.
go ahead,
Thank
go
you.
ahead.
So that's what's
I
gonna
stole
be
the
my,
topic. My bad.
No. Thank you for reminding me because I lost it. So that's what's gonna be my thing. Starting off in the year, what genre y'all think taking lead? I think R&B still got it.
R&B.
R&B always got.
What do you
I've
count
always
as R?
said
Ah,
R&B.
now
I
question.
don't know about it. Got it.
What do you count as R&B? Because there's so many different genres part of R&B
no,
nowadays too.
no. Let's not get it confused. R&B is still rhythm and blues.
Okay.
Still always.
It's so many breakdowns now that there's
So nowadays,
soul.
how they want to categorize it after that is fine. But it's still.
Yeah, I was gonna say neo soul. It's all types of. I feel like it's
under the
You
R&B
got
umbrella.
K1 and K1.
Technically, but I think neo soul kind of transcends that.
Jazz.
But it's
and
still
R&B
under
That's
mixed
in
Mariah the
together.
Scientist. It's
Masego
all
and
of that.
shit.
It's mad different R&B. Element. It's a lot of.
Mixing Masengo and jazz.
Masego
That's
is
the-
jazz, but he has
That's
songs
Latin
with
American
rappers.
mix on jazz.
He's not Latin American. He's
No, I'm saying Masengo is
Masego.
still
His
a
name right.
mix of.
Wale, Leon Thomas.
Man, no, them the one thing.
The fact that you said Wale and Leon Thomas in the same category is wild because
They
Wale is
have
definitely
a
a
song
rapper.
together.
I know.
That's
Wale's last album was actually really good, and I'm a Wale fan, but I just
know.
feel like he always gonna be a side character in my opinion.
never.
Him and Big Sean will always be side characters. They're
Not
great
Wale.
rappers, but they will always be side
Wale's
characters.
a poet. He's not a rapper.
I respect that opinion.
I can't, and I'm not
Wale's a
arguing
poet.
that at all. But as far as albums, but Wale's last album
And I don't know they
was a work
the
of
one that
art.
he just dropped.
I'm not mad. I do agree. I do like
one
that.
where he-
I like
the
his
one he
last
dropped.
album.
Yeah,
I do.
The one he just dropped. That shit fire.
But I will always feel like Wale will never be at his full potential as Ray. I don't know.
Y'all not that fuck when he was on the mixtapes on SoundCloud with the Jerry Seinfelds. Like,
Listen,
when he
I
snapped
remember
it,
Wale rapping with Meek Mill and Rick Ross. I remember
Jerry
them that made
Seinfeld
that music.
project,
I
his
remember
dread
all of
stopped
that
here,
shit. I remember
bro.
Wale.
His dread stopped here.
Alright, so again, so we have dancehall, R&B, neo soul, R&B,
You
jazz,
put it with R&B. You said you want to keep it with
R&B.
R&B. Y'all keep it with R&B.
and hip hop. Because I
What do
feel
you think
like
is gonna be the top genres of the
not
year?
top genres. What
Some-
genre is putting out? We know we can't really compare them because it's different, but at the same
Armani?
time,
That's putting out the best music
or
right now.
more
Armani,
that's out as hits.
Jamaican dude,
Yeah.
he gonna be
I
fire.
feel like R&B,
gonna-
that
he
R&B,
gonna
that
be
pop
popular.
R&B, I would say at least.
Oh yeah, R&B.
It's like a popish R&B. Yes.
yeah, because they've been
Yeah.
on strong since
Big-
closing out the year, coming in.
Yeah, man. I mean, you gotta think of like the
It
Coco
depend-
Joneses
it
and
depend on what like circle or race that you really.
that's true too. That's true too. Cause Taylor Swift be running hard. Billie Eilish be running harder in people's
Billy.
veins.
Don't say too.
Like Alkaline, I would say 100%.
Yo,
He
alright.
got the. Like, it's
If we going for
depend on what-
genres,
it depend- yeah,
specifically,
yeah,
if you go specifically for genres or specifically for races and everything, for dancehall,
Even I'm glad I was speaking for more for
Let's bring
our
it back.
umbrella.
for us, cause this is a broad umbrella right here. This is a very big
bring it back.
umbrella.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna say
Let's bring it back.
Alkaline.
Okay.
Definitely as far as like Caribbean, and then if you want to say like up like South, I'm gonna say damn Dolph dead.
R.I.P. Dolph, yo.
Oh God, damn it,
You was
no.
about to bring Dolph up. That's crazy, yo. That's wild.
Hold
yo.
up, if we gonna say South,
I don't
I'm gonna say
wanna
South.
stop.
I'm gonna say South.
Big X the Plug is popping in the
Old
South
Town.
right now, yo.
Old, you got Moneybag. And I want to say
Moneybag
Baby
not the
Relevant.
poppin'
I want to say
person
Baby
then.
Relevant. Dirt. If we gonna move up a little bit, I'm like Dirt. You know what I mean?
Dirt
He gonna
locked
get out
up.
soon. He gonna get out soon.
No,
If we gonna keep going, we got Virginia, we got DC, we gonna
We
go
gonna do
Big
that
Sean.
goddamn
You know what I mean?
part,
Talking
nigga.
about backups.
All
We got Big Sean, Wale, all them backups. And we gonna keep going up to New York, and
You're
it's
not
over.
cooking.
And it's over.
Ain't no seasoning, and he ain't cooking. But let me tell you,
Big X the Plug is popping in the South for as far as
Yeah.
southern rappers right now.
Yeah.
Big X the Plug,
Gotta
yo.
give shout out to
Yeah,
Big X.
you heard about
He on a lot of shit, yo.
I know
I
his
get
song,
that.
but so it's crazy because I saw the streamer XQC, big streamer. He's streaming and he's playing some game that you could guess.
I seen
like
him
this-
tagged on Twitter or on
Yes.
X.
Yes, it's because of that song. He's playing a game that you guess like the song based on like the first second or millisecond of the hearing like the intro of the song, and you can guess the song.
Oh, that's too much
He's like,
right there,
who
yo.
the fuck is this? And then if you find the result, reveal the result is that Big X the Plug. He's like, yo, and then he looked into it, the shit went viral because, as he said, he's popping in the South right now.
so.
But he got some shit though.
What I know his his
He got
most
some
popular song.
I don't
Let's
know. Let's look it
okay.
up.
I'm pretty sure. No, we know some shit.
I'm sure. I know you've heard his song from him before.
You definitely do. You
That's what I
definitely
want to know if I see. Cause
Big X.
That name is too fucking long.
Big X, he got some shit out.
Nah, he got some shit.
Yeah,
I
Big
can't
X,
think
look,
of the
he got
type
some
of
shit
music
out.
he do right now.
Big
But
man, listen.
Dancehall,
I know he from the South though.
But y'all still ain't.
But as far as New York though, who we got? Who we got? New York, correct?
What?
New York, from the Caribbean. Who we got? Like in New York?
From the Caribbean? Nobody.
Nobody?
What you mean?
That's crazy.
That's what I mean. I understand that statement.
Yeah.
Nobody.
I want anybody who living in New York. Like I don't think we got nobody. No, but like we
all
go.
living in New York.
We a mixed pot. New York,
But that's
like
not
we got
what I'm
all of
saying.
it up here.
Put in your blood clot.
We got everything up here.
It's not no. I feel like it's not no real New York rappers that's popping like
y'all
that.
pulling to me right now. Can y'all really just answer my question?
Go ahead.
Alright. The summer.
Pulling to you is crazy.
It's about to be summertime. As you said, we got to.
What's the summer banger gonna be? The Baby song.
Yeah. Alright.
The lemonade one?
For hip hop, right?
T-shirt in my pen.
No, I got you. Hold on.
Which one?
Some banger.
It's
I'm not even saying something. That's what he said. I'm saying, what are y'all looking forward to, or who y'all looking forward to for the summertime for dancehall and hip hop?
Okay.
That's what I said.
Dexter.
Y'all went off on
I mean,
a
if you dance on,
because I said I'm looking forward to dancehall.
it's hard to have expectations right now. 'Cause
You didn't gotta say so much.
This the summertime banger right here.
You think
Turn it up. Turn it up.
This the Baby new song. Everybody keeps saying this the summertime banger right
He's
here.
coming here. He's gonna come here. I mean that shit.
Anything for females to shake they ass to, yo.
you can't go wrong with that.
Bro, where the fuck is the blood? We ain't got nothing to rotate.
That was my shit.
right now,
You over here smoking. Can I smoke with you? Here, I bring offerings. I got juice.
Juice.
Jay over there, Keith.
yeah, that shit is.
I'm looking forward to the dancehall. You said the Baby got a banger.
Who you think gonna come up with the dancehall summer banger?
I'm not saying the summer banger. I'm
But
just
Alkaline
saying
got
I feel
one.
like the dancehall scene in general.
Yeah, Alkaline got one.
I feel like if you gonna have a summer banger, it's gotta come out within the next month.
Yeah, Alkaline.
Because the song that just came out.
Alkaline
On the
got one
album.
this summer.
On
Alkaline
the
got one
album.
this summer.
Right now, Gal Good, I'm gonna take the summer. Gal Good is our next.
Yo, what the fuck?
Me
Yo,
no
I'm
easy.
over,
One,
I
two,
can't believe
three.
I'm over here smoking and drinking with you motherfuckers.
Me don't know if this is true. Me don't know if Gal Good I will take the summer, but it is one of the bangers for the
No,
summer.
but that's a take. Whenever I say take the summer, it's like it's gonna be a truth for the Gal.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Gal already run with it. So you can't go around with the ladies, bro. You know what I'm saying? But I'm only saying that because the projects are coming up. A lot of artists are dropping projects. Governor drop projects. I think it is in the year. Yeah, it's the new year. He just dropped a project with a few artists. Skipper, Chronicler himself. You know what I'm saying? Big bad project. You know what I'm saying? The Babylon project actually. You know what I mean? Big bad mix. So I am looking forward to the dancehall because juggling is forward back. There's a lot of substance that forward out of juggling. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, the YFL seem overcrowded to a lot of people right now. But I'm mad at it.
That's what I said.
You like what you like, and you don't like what you
have
don't
options.
like, and you move on. You have options, though. It is what it is. You don't have to
Bring
play
back
everything.
all dance.
Yeah, you have to bring back the juggling them. So I ain't mad at it. So not only the YFL.
Yeah, they still like a bounce in the summer. They they go hard.
That's definitely going to the summer. That's definitely going straight to the summer.
Tough.
So with that, I look forward to the dancehall scene in the summer.
I missed the answer. Who do you feel like is gonna have the dancehall hit for the summer?
We wasn't talking after that.
We just said one. We just know one song so far.
So for us, I say there's so much shit going on that we can look forward to having an enjoyable dance over the line. That's why I asked you what's going to happen for hip hop. Are you looking forward to having taking that yo? Because I heard hip hop been dead. I ain't gonna lie.
Type shit.
Since it's been dead.
The street says since Drake been gone.
Yeah, since Drake been.
That's Drake Glazers. That's all Drake Glazers. That's not true.
The street said it.
That's what the street said, bro.
The street says since Drake been gone, Bad bro, Juba Wagwan.
Where you hear that from?
The streets.
You don't know what the fucking streets is?
I don't apparently. So let me know who the streets are. I'm not asking nobody to snitch on us.
You know the street code, bro. Like,
Yeah, you the one that teach us about the street code.
Like, what the fuck?
Yeah. But yeah, people. This is it.
Open this up, chat.
That's the current update now we have for doing it right now for the start off this April, which is my new year. First month of spring. No more cool weather, we can't say.
Yeah, nah, it's supposed to snow next
We don't know.
Tuesday.
We doubt it.
Yeah,
We in upstate New York. Don't talk nothing up, man. Don't.
We don't know that.
You see me just said it positive and here come negative Bucky.
Manifestation, yo.
No,
Manifest. We gonna manifest.
I got no man festival with you know.
You live in
The Gala Fest.
Yeah.
We want to Gala Fest some shit.
Toronto Lakes,
What am I talking
and
about?
Toronto Great Lakes.
Yo, shut
You
up.
can't expect anything.
Yeah, I talk some fuck you right now.
Huh?
So, like we say,
My bad.
spring, everything I go start growing. I look out forward for the tree them come start grow green again.
Yeah?
And the grass come back and then more sun's out. And
Fingers crossed.
Happy New Year to everybody who knows and if you know, you
Pick
know.
up on a nice clean self and I chat to
So
them
people,
every time.
this has been another exclusive episode of
Exclusive.
Vybz
Very exclusive.
Friday.
I'm gonna dig my pocket, I'm
And
gonna
like we say, for the people them who know from the culture, do remember when traveling, please travel with all your proper documents. Documentation. It don't matter if
That's why she come back with more food every time,
it
yo.
don't matter if they're expired or not. Travel with all new paperwork from when everything. Just travel with everything just to be safe. And it don't matter if you're a citizen or not. If you have another nationality, they still gonna pull up on you.
They will pull up on you.
Please. And it matter of fact, if you look like what Trump say, if you look like them, I go pull up on you. So just please travel with everything. So you don't need no problem. That's the most important.
If you this color, they gonna pull up on your ass.
Type shit, like we must say. So another episode. This is your boy Gyalis Jay.
That the sour.
And people, we know never going out there, you know, first I know there. So, if we never can, we wasn't able to follow along, comment in the comment section, and trust me, I love the comment section, so me argue with you in there. Me and you, we go back and forth, so you know what I mean? Give me the comments for the opinion them what we're going on with, you know what I mean? And again, big up my boy upon him Earth Strong, you know what I'm saying? Our one tall man from the go.
Tall man.
Yeah. And with that said, you know, you're better than full. DJ.
If you like the vibes.
Subscribe. Yo, producer, I feel like my check me if we go up now, you know.
You mean?
Yeah. Production, can I ask for a raise, please?
I say it. Hold that shit off.
You're listening to Livevybz. Ask yourself this question. You're listening to Livevybz. Done, man. And I wanna run the program. The program. Have you ever got to take what it can teach? Have you ever had to like community? You need to take yourself before you start kiss your ticker. You're not ready for this yet, boy. Have you ever wondered when make a girl come? A woman must be satisfied before you say you're done. You can't say a thing if you end up at it fun. You're not ready for this yet, boy. If you're a little girl, I say I ain't moving the world. And with my phone scary and I sleep over girl. Get you up together when you look another girl. You're not ready for this yet, boy. Did you even realize they over that food? You have been up for your little girl at one too. That's why you're not that man I eat what it on the food. Oh no, not ready for it. Oh no, not ready for it. Oh no, not ready for this yet, boy. Most I wanna full of yourself, right? Hot fire, they have up their own now, play. Got a fear coming up to make me dead right. Roll them up and lock them up for day, hey, hey. Have you ever got to think what we can get cheap? And have you ever asked for it, should I come for your day? You need to take yourself before you start this your day. You're not ready for this yet, boy.
to do something. Take it right, into the bed. Take it Anda dua. Sono ah.
You remember? You remember? You're listening to Livevybz sound. Remember you was on the secret poetry. I put it on the book, I made it for free. I tell you it was on the secret poetry.
Sun stop shining for me.
I tell you it was on the secret poetry. I put it on the book, I made it for free. I tell you it was on the secret poetry.
Sun stop shining for me. Yeah.
When we used to grow up, we used to follow me. I make it pretty down. But we had to be good, we never know. We never decide to go. Well, a long time you went and did a leak. But we make it pop, we never want to speak. I can't get away, go on the church every week. So we down, never quite when we not free.
Bye.
I'm not sick of no tree. I want to go, want me to live for free. I tell you it was on the sick of all.
Let's go.